This is BB Ventures Art. I'm here to train you on how to make your crinoline leaf. You need your crinoline, you need wool gum, needle and thread, tape rule to achieve this work. This is my crinoline. The length of my crinoline is 6.5 by 6. The first thing you will do is that take your crinoline and your wool gum. Put your wool gum on the tip of the 6.5. That is the length. Allow it to dry small. Then push them out together like this with your hand. Push them out together with your hand. Then roll it together with your hand. You create a pencil. You roll it like this so that the gum can stay together. You roll it so that I can bring the tip of the leaf out. You see it? This is the tip of the leaf. Then take your needle and thread. It's my needle and thread. Then push it together. Then tack it. And see it. Cut the thread. You can see this is how to create your leaf. Now we are going to use the leaf to design. You can create a base for your own fascinator. Create the base. I'm going to use half yard of crinoline. Push them out again together like this. You tap them out. You can see it after tacking it. Then run your hemi down to the end of the crinoline. So this is my base. You cut it and tack it. Now we have created our base. Then take your leaf to use it to design. You can arrange it. This is the leaf. You can place it on your base, tack it together. Tack it with your base. Then place this at the middle to block the center. Can you see it? Band at the back of the crinoline. This is how to make your crinoline leaf. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.